Family's coming for supper. It's fine, I got this. I have been working all day, peeling potatoes, getting carrots ready. Hey, I'm Giggle Guru. Do you stress about family supper during the holidays? This girl does. One thing that I can do to help with that stress is laughter yoga. I take a moment to just do some laughter and some breath work. Helps calm my nerves down. Doesn't matter if the smoke detector goes off. It's all good. It's just an alarm to say supper's ready. Just giggle. Breathe it in and let it go. You got this.